Hello everyone and welcome to From Pizza to Dalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious, soft and fluffy banana chocolate chips cake. This cake is eggless and is so easy to make. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया रे देखिया को चाहउचंती देन तळे थिबा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे लिंक को चेक करंतु. Let's start with the recipe. First take 3 ripe bananas and peel them. Mash the bananas using a fork or a masher. Then add half cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cooking oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, this is completely optional, and mix well till combined. Now sift together 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour or Maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Sifting is important so that there are no lumps in the batter. Mix everything well. Now add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. You can also add lemon juice and half cup of milk. Mix and bring everything together. Add chocolate chips to the batter and fold them in. Our cake batter is ready now. Brush oil in a cake tin and then place baking paper and grease it again. Transfer the prepared batter to the cake mold. Tap twice and level with a spatula. Mix 1 teaspoon of flour with the remaining chocolate chips. This ensures the chocolate chips do not sink to the bottom. Sprinkle the chocolate chips on the top and bake at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Our cake is perfectly baked now. Allow it to cool down and then scrape the sides using a knife and flip it on a plate. Our cake is perfectly baked now. This is so fluffy and delicious. This one is just perfect for anytime sweet cravings. So do try this out yourselves and enjoy. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.